guys, welcome back to day 12 of Vlogmas. Today I'm just doing a ship with me chit chat video. I sold this t-shirt for $5. Sales have been slow and honestly I'm accepting offers left and right. So I sourced this t-shirt at the swap meet for $1. I had originally sourced this for a t-shirt Posh show that I did back in November. At that show I was starting everything at $7 and hoping to get sales that way. I ended up selling about like 18 of the 30 t-shirts I listed that night. It wasn't bad and it was probably my last successful Posh show. Since then I had one more Posh show and it was probably my worst show. I had like 2 sales and then I haven't had a Posh show since. This is the priority mail. This is the Tyvek envelope. These are my favorites. I put my items in poly bags. So I have a drawer in front of me and I just stuff all my shipping supplies in there. So I'm gonna put this in my poly bag. I'm gonna do this off camera. So here it is in my poly bag. I like to put it in poly bags to protect it. I just slap on a thank you sticker. Thank you so much. And then throw it. These are free from USPS. You can get them at any post office or you can order them online from USPS.com. They're completely free. And that's it. This is why I love Poshmark, because you don't have to weigh anything. Well, as long as your shirt's under 5 pounds, you just have to throw it in a priority mail shipping envelope. You can also use your own envelopes. Just don't use the express packaging. That's forbidden. Make sure it's priority. Poshmark emails you the shipping label, you slap it on here, and that's it. That's how easy it is to ship orders on Poshmark. That's why I love it. That's why I always recommend it. I actually got my sister selling on Poshmark, and then I'm trying to get my cousins on board too, because it's so easy. You literally, it takes some time, but also you don't have to put a lot of time in it. If you have good items, as long as you take a reasonable, well-lit picture, show the front, the back, the label. You pretty much just fill out the information on Poshmark and then you just, for a seller. You do have to share your listings. I recommend my sister, I told my sister to share your items at least once every day just to keep them on top of the algorithm. But that's it. I think it's still the easiest platform to sell on, in my opinion. So why are things selling so low? Well, for me, I price drop my listings. So every Sunday there's closet clear out. I tend to do it like at least once a month where I drop my prices, and I've dropped my prices to the point where a lot of my items are at the lowest. And then what I do is when they're at the lowest, then I basically copy the listing into a new listing, reset my price, and then I delete the old listing. I do that because if you're just manually editing the prices, when you send offers, you're sending the historic lows. So if you have something for $50, you mark it down to if it's marked down to 25, if you just edit and raise the price back to 50, the next time you send an offer to likers, it's gonna be at the lowest. So if you sent it at $25, the next offer you share is going to be under $25. If you're going to send out a 10% offer after you've simply edited the price back to 50, it's not going to send 10% off 50. It's going to send 10% off 25 if that was your lowest. So that's why I don't edit prices ever. I edit them when I'm price dropping, but if I'm raising prices, I simply copy the listing into a brand new listing. Yes, you use the likers. Yes, you're back at 0 likers. But honestly, if you've dropped prices so many times, you have 25 likers, none of them have liked them. I'm sorry, but they're not going to come back and buy it. It's probably I think maybe a 10% chance that one of the likers is going to buy it. If they've liked the item, they've had it in their likes for 6 months, You price dropped 10 times. It's at its lowest. None of the likers have already purchased it. Then I'm sorry, I need some new likers. So I copy the listing into a new listing and start back at 0. And I haven't been doing that, so my listings are at the lowest, which is why I'm getting a lot of like low sales. So I really need to spend some time. I think that's what I'm gonna do today, is just like copy my listings into new listings and raise my prices back up. At the end of the day, I got this shirt for $1. It sold for $5. I'm making $2, so I'm making $1. At least I'm not losing money, right? So I think that's it for today's video. I know it was short but sweet. Stay tuned. This week I'm doing a reseller wish list. I think I'm taking a trip to Buffalo Exchange to clear out some old inventory. And next week are those swap boxes. So I will be filming those videos today and getting those items listed so that by the time the videos go live, if you like anything you see, you can immediately shop. So that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.